Good morning, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to talk about this 2021 Northwood Arctic Fox 990 hard to find truck camper. We just got kind of a load of them in today and they go quick, so I'm sorry if you don't jump on this. You're going to wait till they get built again. So today is all about the 2021 Arctic Fox 990 truck camper. It's a true all-season, heated enclosed tanks, very well insulated, full wall slide, very well constructed, aluminum cage all the way throughout, with solid wood construction through the aluminum tubing where the cabinets adhere to the walls for extra strength. You look at the website, they show 30-some people standing on the roof. I mean, who can say that? As you notice when we walk in, the Fox landing, the large ladder for the roof access, solid surface countertops, large propane tanks, large water capacities, very well insulated. This one's going to have a wet bath, air conditioning, onboard generator, solar, queen bed, flat screen LED TV with the AM, FM, CD, DVD player built in, nice microwave, lots of storage, fold down dinette that's going to make us into about a 6-foot spare bed, along with the full queen size bed up front. Plenty of USB plug-ins, plenty of 110 plug-ins, nice skylight with shade in the kitchen area, extension for the countertop in the kitchen area as well. Get into the bedroom, we got plenty of storage on both sides of the bed with a little cutout up front for our cell phones or book if we're reading book before we go to bed at night at the head of the bed. Really easy access for everything here. Plywood components, not particle wood. A solid wood door cabinet faces. Very, very good stuff throughout. If you're looking for a good quality all season, go camping anytime camper. If you have any questions on the Northwood product, I've been around the company here at Guaranty for about 17 years, so feel free to give me a holler at 541-979-1770. Be glad to talk about it. Thank you and have a great day.